Welcome to another tutorial by WA Courses. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can organize your Word documents by using the navigation pane. Now here I have a document that's divided up with headings. Now I have used the heading styles function in the Home tab right here to set up my headings. This is the only way that what I'm about to do is possible. If you don't know what headings are, please watch our advanced Microsoft Word tutorial. Okay, now to open up the navigation pane, click on the View tab and click on Navigation pane. Now, here is the navigation pane. We see we have headings. All our headings are here. Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Publisher, Access and Word. Pages, so our one page. And results. Now in results, I could type in a word and it will search for it in my document. So let's type the word presentation. It gives me my results right here and it highlights them in the text. So by clicking, it will show me which word this is. And here. And by clicking on headings, it will show me under which heading we found the word presentation. So we found it under the heading PowerPoint. PowerPoint. Now, a navigation pane is very useful to organize our document. Imagine, for example, I would like Word to go first and not last. Now, one way to do it would be to cut it and then paste it in the position I want. But it's much easier since I have already formatted my document with headings to use the navigation pane. Simply by clicking on Word and dragging it to the position I would like it to be. And here it is, first in my document. One more thing about results. There is a little arrow here. By clicking on it, you can get more options to your search. So by clicking on options, you see all these options that you have to narrow down your search. Okay. We also have advanced find, replace, go to, and if your document contained graphics or tables or equations, you could even narrow your search down to one of these. So if I were looking for a specific word in a graphic or in a table or in a footnote or endnote, I could narrow my search down. That was a tutorial on how to organize your Word documents using the navigation pane. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.